So, we're gonna get some, we're gonna get you some stuff. The plan is to get you some video game console or something like that.
Uh-huh. And how's this related to everything that we're shooting?
Oh, because video games are fun?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess we're gonna do something with Lightning Network or something
exactly.
like that.
Hey, we found a QR code for Lightning on the trash can out here. Dean, do this quickly. It smells like shit.
Okay, let's see here. This is not a valid payment address. I think it's using testnet.
Mm. Where are we? Oh shit, they have the new Xbox. Something that won't work.
Why? You just want to be frustrated and miserable? Something to complain about?
I think I'm into that. Yeah. So I want to get a PlayStation 4, and I told him I'll give him 150 cash for Bitcoin, and then he's interested to know what Bitcoin, like how it works.
No kidding.
And I told him it's super easy, and I'll show him. I told him he could buy anything, really.
Card games are way better than video games in my opinion. They're more interactive with your friends.
Can you play card games by yourself, Dean?
I think very indecisive today. You're a man without a plan.
I wanted to get...
It's not the Phil I know.
If the PS4 was like $100, I would get it, because I'd probably only play...
Wow, if you could get this amazing console for $100, you would get... It's not going to be $100. That's a ridiculous price. It's a lot of good machinery in there. You demand from the world way too much.
Market failure. We're gonna use Lightning. Bit refill. Okay? We don't need these cards. So we didn't get a console, we realized the computer is way better, and we can just buy the game through Steam with Bit Refill, and we can use Lightning. So we're on bitrefill.com, and this place it's a pretty sweet website. It lets you pretty much buy a ton of different services using Bitcoin all around the world. And we're gonna use Lightning.
Phil, for those who don't know, what's Lightning Network?
So Lightning Network, if you're familiar with Bitcoin you can send money to anybody in a trustless manner. Lightning Network is something built on top of Bitcoin, so you can do the same thing but with a lot cheaper transaction fees and a lot more privacy. So you can just connect with people, send really low transactions with low fee and low value, a lot easier, and you don't have to trust anybody. There's a sale going on. So you can buy the Steam USD voucher, and I'm just going to buy $20 US worth of Steam credit. And with Bit Refill, you can use a lot of different cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Ethereum.
But we're going for that sexy.
Here. Look at that. Instant delivery, minimal fees.
Do they have Bitcoin Cash?
No. They gave us an invoice. And with Lightning, these invoices are time sensitive. So this is I'm sending a payment.
You're getting matrixy on us.
Sending a payment to the invoice that they just gave me.
Okay.
It tells me that, I'm sending it to Bit Refill, the amount I'm sending, and the destination, which I think is the public key of their node. Quite sure. So I'm gonna confirm the payment. So, sweet. It's sent. Cool. So, I got my gift card. It's gonna be spent, but you can see that I got the code. I think you can probably take it. This is pretty sweet. So let me try to redeem it. And I just found out how to do this. So redeem Steam gift card. Cool.
Nice. Just put in the coupon, please. Easy.
Yeah, sweet. And I got $20. And so I used Lightning for this, which is amazing.
Oh, that's incredible. All right, Phil, I'm gonna be heading out. Where are you? Oh.
Huh? Oh. What's up, man?
This is like the productivity killer.
Oh yeah, I'm not going to work tomorrow.